This list is a byproduct of me seeing the best and worst of Amazon affiliate marketing, so treat this as the 5 commandments of picking the right products. Pick products that support your audience's why. When you start with the why of your audience, it becomes much easier to explain to them why they should buy the product you're promoting, because in that moment they're looking for a product that will help them address it. There must be a clear transformation between before using the product and after using it. Let's be honest, it's pretty easy to achieve this in the context of the example in the previous section. No self-respecting business is going to get staff to work on the floor. Instead, your focus should be on how your product does things better than your competitors. The clearer and more compelling those benefits are, the better. The best products are ones that can be clearly demonstrated, which is just about every physical product on Amazon. Can you make videos, take pictures, or write blog posts demonstrating to your audience why they should buy them? If so, then you're onto a winner. Pick products that have the potential to be indispensable to your audience, where they simply couldn't live without them. Finding a product that becomes part of their everyday habits is absolute gold. Think about the products you've purchased that have incorporated themselves into your daily habits, and how much of a lifesaver they are. They will thank you and handsomely reward you via Amazon affiliate commissions for helping them save time, stress, and money. With these rules in mind, in the next video, we're going to start brainstorming product ideas that will work for you. See you there.